Plantar fasciitis is a very common condition that occurs in the feet. It's basically when you have inflammation to the soft tissue that's along the bottom of the foot that inserts in the heel bone and goes out into the foot. When it gets inflamed, you'll start to get some soft tissue areas that are thickened and can even get fibrosed. And when that happens, a couple different good modalities that we use to try to break them up are using a massage ball to break it up. So today we're going to show you how to use the massage ball correctly and the best way to break up these soft tissue thickenings and fibrosis. The best way to break up soft tissue thickening is to use this massage ball that we sell in our office and place it on the ground and place your foot over it, and for you to take the ball and roll it almost until it hurts through the soft tissue along the bottom of the foot, along both the insertion point as well as along the entire band of the plantar fascia. The best part about this is that you can do it when you are just sitting at home watching TV, and it takes minimal effort to do. We definitely recommend this to help break up the soft tissue thickening and fibrosis that can occur along the plantar fascia.